Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 8th, 2024, and we've got some intriguing stories lined up for you. From insurance woes to safety concerns, and even a recall, Tesla's Cybertruck is making headlines. We'll also delve into a report accusing major corporations of undermining democracy, and an opinion piece on the risks of investing in Tesla options. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, GEICO, the second largest auto insurer in the US, has announced it may no longer cover Tesla Cybertrucks. This decision has left some owners, like Robert Stevenson, in a bind, as GEICO removed his Cybertruck from his policy. The insurer's letter cited that the 2024 Cybertruck doesn't meet their underwriting guidelines, though they didn't specify why. Speculation points to concerns over the vehicle's mechanical reliability and high repair costs, with some repairs reportedly exceeding $20,000 for minor accidents. The Cybertruck's unique 30X cold-rolled stainless steel exoskeleton might be a factor. Additionally, there are whispers of tensions between Elon Musk and Warren Buffett, whose company owns GEICO, possibly influencing this decision. The exact reasons remain unclear, but it's causing some customers to rethink their insurance options. In related news, transport campaigners in Europe are raising alarms about the Cybertruck's size and design. They argue that its 4-ton weight and sharp edges make it unsuitable for European roads, where vehicles over 3.5 tons require speed limiters. A Cybertruck registered in the Czech Republic has sparked debate, as it was modified to meet some safety standards, but still seems to violate weight restrictions when fully loaded. Campaigners are concerned about the potential dangers posed by such oversized vehicles, especially to pedestrians. The Czech Transport Ministry says the registration falls under individual approval, allowing some deviations from EU norms. However, the Cybertruck's presence in other EU countries is raising legal questions. The European Commission is seeking more information and plans to discuss the matter with member states. Tesla has yet to comment on these safety concerns. Switching gears, a report by the International Trade Union Confederation accuses major corporations, including Tesla, of undermining democracy worldwide. The report claims these companies support far-right political movements, contribute to the climate crisis, and violate human and trade union rights. Tesla is specifically accused of anti-union activities and human rights violations in its supply chains. The report also highlights CEO Elon Musk's support for controversial political figures. The ITUC calls for organized labor movements to counter corporate influence and advocates for an international treaty to hold corporations accountable under human rights laws. With significant elections on the horizon, the ITUC aims to rally support for these initiatives. Back to Tesla. The company is recalling over 27,000 Cybertrucks due to an issue with the rear-view camera display. The display may not activate immediately when the vehicle is shifted into reverse, which is a violation of US regulations. This is the 5th recall for the Cybertruck since its launch last November. Tesla is offering a free software upgrade to fix the problem, with notification letters to be sent out on November 25th. Previous recalls have addressed issues like loose trim pieces and malfunctioning windshield wipers. Owners experiencing problems can contact Tesla customer service or the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration for assistance. Finally, an opinion piece by Matt Levine explores the risks of retail investors heavily investing in Tesla options. Levine presents a hypothetical scenario where an investor amasses a fortune through day trading Tesla call options. He suggests that a wise financial advisor would recommend selling off the options and reallocating funds into safer investments, like treasury bills, to ensure financial security. While the excitement of day trading can be tempting, Levine warns against having too much of one's net worth tied up in a single, volatile asset like Tesla. He advocates for diversification to mitigate risk and maintain financial stability. The piece serves as a reminder of the importance of balanced investing and risk management. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and thought-provoking. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we covered in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and analysis on everything Tesla and beyond. Until then, stay informed and drive safely.